So I've been putting a lot of work into just cleaning up the subframe this week. You know, a lot of time with the wire wheel and a brush and picking the rust out. And I think we're almost ready to paint, but there's a bit of rust on it. So it must be... it's milk time! Okay, so one of the little jobs that needs to be done before we put the car back together is cleaning up this. So it's pretty crusty as is, and we sheared off the stud, which you can't really see, sheared that off. See what we can do. Hopefully I haven't got to remake this, but we'll see how we get on. There's the end of that stud in all of its sheared glory. In terms of repainting, we've got the subframe all at least protected up. Right, it's not a perfect job, it doesn't look brand new, but it's got a protective coating on. The mystery charcoal filtery type thing. That bracket's all redone with a new stud, repainted, looks kind of nice. And I also cleaned up the two subframe support strengthening things that bolt it into the car itself. So everything there looks pretty nice. Alright, you join me in the rear passenger wheel well. We're going to weld up the subframe box section, and then next we're going to do just up here the hole in the wheel arch itself. And that should be, as far as I'm aware right now, the last of the welding to the rear of the car. Still got the inner sills at the front, but this should be the rear of the car finished. So we're going to start off doing this small little patch section on the corner of the box section. Then we'll put on this plate to fill the hole, and then we'll move on to the wheel arch. And that's the plan. Right, let's see how we fare. Eesh. If you were expecting that to be clean welding experience, welcome to the channel. It's good to have new viewers. I really don't know what happened there. We've regressed pretty significantly from last week, it seems. Okay, this plate could be a little tricky, but my plan is come in like that. I'm going to try and tack here, 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 here. We'll see how we go. Highs and lows. This area, big low, big time low. This, pretty nice. So I still need to grind back all of this stuff here, and I definitely need to grind back around here because currently the subframe will not sit far enough in there. But, yeah, the panel's in there. It's functional. Okay, so there we go. The plate is in place. It's not particularly beautiful. That weld here is okay, but it will do. It will do the job. And that's what we're doing. Alright, and then we're going to go for this plate, which should hopefully be easy. We don't often get ones that are easy though, so no doubt it won't be. Have to go with this trick again. Really doesn't like it. Let's see if this goes any differently. Still doesn't like it. Something's very wrong. Okay. What's happened there? Okay, I've determined the issue. This has somehow become unplugged, so perhaps that will work better now. With both ends of the earth plugged in, we will be unstoppable. Good grief. How does this not work at all? The earth is plugged in at both ends. I'm a bit lost here. I've done all the other panels on this car and they all worked. Incredibly salty about this. Let's try again. Place it here, and we're going to try and do it right in that corner. Time to seal up all of the spectacular welding that I've been doing. Got some Tiger Seal. I'm just going to smear it everywhere I think it needs it. Okay, nice surprise on that. That was actually pretty fun to do. There's no pressure to be neat or anything. I just went for, I mean, look at this. Beautiful down there, this is nice. Just went for cover everything. Just cover everything that I've welded to try and stop any water dripping in there. And that was that, really. Nice. There we go. There we have the little extension brake line piece made up. Fingers crossed that's not going to leak. If it does, that will be a real pain. And then same on this side. Again, just put on the extension piece. I would assume that I need to paint this or something where it's kind of exposed steel. So what I might do is just kind of mask off the fittings and spray the whole thing. Okay, I think that'll do for this week. I got lots of small little jobs done. The seam sealer, the welding, some milk time, repainting things. Got quite a lot of seam sealer in my hair, which will be an interesting challenge. So yeah, thanks for watching this episode. Tune in again next week and I'll be back with some more action.